Manual's gone? Fun forgotten? Not today. The 2025 GR Corolla is a final word from Toyota in keeping the thrill alive, one gear shift at a time. Let's talk about the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla, the ultimate hot hatch, ready to take on the streets and the track in style. Since its first appearance in 2023, this car has always been about taking the humble Corolla hatchback and turning it into something rather special. And for 2025, it's faster, sharper, and more exciting than ever. Reason to love it. Number 1. The manual transmission is standard. That's right. In an age where manual gearboxes are going the way of the dodo, the GR Corolla gives driving enthusiasts exactly what they want: a 6-speed manual across all trim levels. Compare that with competitors like the Volkswagen Golf R, which has completely axed the manual for 2025, and you'll see why this is kind of a big deal. Reason number 2, all-wheel drive is installed, but it's not just an AWD, since the GR-Four system can allow you to tune torque distribution at different driving situations. Want balance? Set it to gravel with a 50-50 split. Want a setup for the track? Track mode shifts upwards to a 30-70 split to give the rears some bias. This level of control is something rivals like the Honda Civic Type R just don't offer. And then, of course, there's the heart of the GR Corolla. Reason 3, a 1.6-liter 3-cylinder with 300 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It's the most power-dense road car engine Toyota has ever built. Compact, efficient, and outrageously powerful, this little engine is a giant on the track. Reason number 4, it's affordable, relatively speaking. The base GR Corolla starts at $38,860, which undercuts heavyweights like the Honda Civic Type R, which has a nearly $46,000 starting price. And as obviously more expensive than a humdrum hatchback, you really are getting some amazing performance for the price. 5th reason, launch control for automatics. Toyota's all-new 8-speed automatic transmission isn't just silky smooth. It also features genuine launch control for perfect acceleration every time. It's ideal for the driver who wants speed but doesn't want to deal with shifting. Now, no car is perfect. The GR Corolla does have a few things to keep in mind. Cargo space. At 17.8 cubic feet, it's smaller than rivals like the Honda Civic Type R. Interior materials? Expect more hard plastics than you'd like at this price. Color choices? There's only 4 available for 2025, and tragically, the fan-favorite Blue Flame didn't make the cut. But if you're willing to overlook those minor flaws, the driving experience in a GR Corolla more than makes up for it. So why does the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla matter? It's a bold reminder that cars can still be thrilling, dynamic, and fun in a sea of humdrum crossovers. More than a hot hatch, it has a manual transmission, sophisticated AWD, and a real punch courtesy of its 300 horsepower engine. It's a statement. If you're in the market for a hot hatch that offers insane performance without breaking the bank, you owe it to yourself to check out the GR Corolla. Hit that like button if you love hot hatches, subscribe for more car content, and let us know in the comments. Would you pick the GR Corolla over the Civic Type R or Golf R? We can't wait to hear what you have to say.